Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today topic is molecular carrier vector. To make the recombinant DNA, one often begins by selecting a vector, the means by which a recombinant DNA is introduced into the host cell. One common type of the vector is a plasmid. Plasmids are discovered by investigators studying the sex life of the intestinal bacterium Escherichia coli. Plasmodium. Plasmids are extra chromosomal circular DNA molecules which carry the genes for the antibiotic resistance and fertility. One of the plasmid discovered earlier, PSC101, has antibiotic resistant gene for the tetracycline, whereas the PBR322 has an antibiotic resistant gene for the tetracycline as well as ampicillin. Inserting gene of the interest of the tetracycline gene resistant genes of the plasmid PBR322 would enable spreading out the colonies of bacteria in a medium containing the ampicillin and vice versa. Recombinant DNA. For the preparation of the recombinant DNA, the plasmid is cut with the same enzyme which was used for the isolation of genes of the interest. The gene of the interest, insulin, is then joined with the sticky ends produced after the cutting the plasmid with the help of another special enzyme known as the DNA ligases, and this enzyme seals the foreign piece of the DNA into the vector. Now the two different pieces of the DNA has been joined together, which is now known as the recombinant DNA and chimeric DNA. Expression of the recombinant DNA. A clone has been a large number of the molecules. Cloned genes are cell. Cloned bacteria are organisms that are individual to an organism original specimen. Compare the use of the plasmids and a virus to clone a gene. Bacterial cells take up the recombinant plasmids, especially if they are treated with the calcium chloride to make them more permeable. Thereafter, as the cell produces a bacterial clone form, and each new cell contain at least one plasmid. Therefore, each of the bacteria contain the gene of interest, which will be expressed itself and make a product. From this bacterial clone, the clone genes can be isolated for the further analysis and protein products can be separated. Besides plasmids, the DNA of the bacteria, viruses, for example, lambda phages, can also be used as a vector. After lambda phages attaches to the host bacterium, recombinant DNA is released from the virus and enters the bacterium. Hence, here it will direct the reproduction of many more viruses. Each virus is a bacteriophage. Clone contain a copy of the genes being cloned. Thanks for watching.